Alright, another quick unboxing and first impression of the Huepar. Yeah, it's a laser distance measure tool. So, let's open it up. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we have the tool itself. Oh look, it has a thing to mount it to poles, tripods, that's it. It has a tripod mount. Okay, plastic, user's manual, and this is, I think it's a quick start guide. It's in Chinese. It's okay. We have a pouch. Here we go. Fits in nicely. Here we go. Yeah, we got a clip for your belt. Okay. We got a strap to hold it onto, and we got a charging cable. What's this? I think this is a card you can put at the end of the dot if you can't measure it, and it will fit in the pouch. Yeah, that's probably so. You can use this one if you need to measure it until a specific point. Anyways, let's see if it turns on. Oh, it does. Okay, so there is a laser point. Yeah, so I'm just pointing at the wall right there. It's telling me how many degrees I'm off. Okay, now I'm pretty much level. $97. You know what? Let's put it against the pole. It's telling me 1 meter and 1 centimeters. And if I press plus, press read. Okay, and then it saves it. You see? It saved it. So it's an LM120A, so it should be, let me focus. Okay, it should be up to 120 meters. So yeah, I've used many of the cheap laser distance measure tools. It's just to get a rough idea. It's never for accuracy, you know. But they say this one is pretty accurate, so we'll test that one out. So it should have, you can save it, you can clear it. I'll do a review next time, but first impression. You can calculate area and volume. And oh, there it is, Pythagoras or Pythagoras, I don't know how you call it. So you can basically measure the bottom of a building, then measure the top of the building, and it will tell you the height of the building. Pretty neat. Anyways, I think if I keep it pressed, yeah, that's off. That's all for this review. Preview, not review. I'll do a review next time.